Regarding the CMTI app, ma'am, there are a lot of courses regarding the civil engineering field where we can gain our knowledge.
Hi, Akshita.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Akshita?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Akshita. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, congratulations for your placements, Akshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
Okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this great opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Akshata Kharade. I am from Satara, Maharashtra, and currently pursuing BTech Civil Engineering from Arvind Kodi College of Engineering, Satara.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI, Akshita?
Yes, ma'am. Through the YouTube channel, when I visited so many YouTube channels that the CMT Institute is in good rating, so I came to know about CMT Institute through the YouTube channel.
Okay, so what and all you learned in CMTI, your classroom training and site visit training? Can you tell me about that?
Yes, ma'am. When we came here, there is a 12 weeks program, and in that, our teachers teaches us reading of drawing, material calculation, and our softwares like AutoCAD and Google SketchUp, and so many other things also. And even in their site visits also conducted. In that, we can improve knowledge with a practical purpose. So it's good for me.
Okay. So, yeah, can you speak about our trainer Natarajan sir and CU Ashok sir? So, how did Ashok sir give you the guidance for the interview as well as the career?
Okay, ma'am. The trainers Ashok sir and Natarajan sir, when we have interview, that time they always give us some tips to how to crack the interviews, how they will ask the questions like that. So we gain some confidence level, and we face that interview with confidence. So interviews also get cracked easily. So all staffs is very supportive.
Okay. So, yeah, we'll speak about your confidence level, Akshata. So, how was your confidence level before joining the CMTI and after joining CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. When I came here for the first time, at that time my communication is not that good. After joining this course, uh, our teachers helped me to how to communicate, and they give us some tips. So my confidence level is getting high because of that.
Okay. So, did you face any challenges in relocating to Maharashtra and Bangalore?
Yes, ma'am. Means first came here, that time we think that we want to relocate in other states, so there are so many challenges we have to face. But when I called to Meenu ma'am, then they arrange some students also. They give me very supportive, and matlab,
So, the students of CMTI was supportive to you.
yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Even staff also. So with the help of them, I'm easily relocate here. So there is no any problem faced.
Okay. So, what about CMTA app, Akshita? How did that help you?
And if we have to go in the industry, then we must know about the industry syllabus. Because in our college syllabus, there is no any proper training that we means जेव्हा आपण इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जातो तेव्हा जो सिलेबस असतो युनिव्हर्सिटीचा त्यामध्ये जरा जो ब्रिज असतो तो व्यवस्थित करण्याचं काम सीएमटी इन्स्टिट्यूट करते.
Okay. So, yeah. What about CMTA staff, Akshita? How was their approach towards the courses and all?
Whenever our teachers teaches us, that time if we get any query, then they will resolve it soon as possible. So staff is also cooperative.
Okay. So, hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Akshita?
Yes, ma'am. If anyone want to join a good company with our knowledge, then you must join the CMT Institute so you can gain the knowledge as well as the experience before joining the company.
Okay. Thank you, Akshita. Thanks for your feedback and congratulations for your placements once again and all the best for your future. Thank you so much, Akshita.
Thank you, ma'am.